here's to landmarks. Built on grit and tenacity, by vision and drive, by craftsmen who toiled with calloused hands, blistered feet, and stiff backs. Landmarks that serve as a beacon to remind us of what determination, hard work, and the human spirit can accomplish. They serve as inspiration to us, our families, and our community of what is possible together. Every day, we come to work. We care for personal landmarks of our own. Landmarks that house hopes and dreams of their own, that showcase what neighbors, neighborhoods, and communities are capable of. We care for these landmarks we call home with the same dedication, pride, and passion all craftsmen take to keep these homes healthy, because we believe that this level of commitment is what it takes for these personal landmarks, the values they house, and the dreams that they protect to stand the test of time. Groundworks, foundation solutions crafted with pride.